Mastering the Art of Adult Living presents a Jackpot of Success Strategies from a Gold Miner of Life. Hi, I'm Vida Teodora, the director of the Vida Teodora Academy. Mastering the Art of Adult Living is my life story. In a Jackpot of Success Strategies from a Gold Miner of Life, you will collect a wagon full of golden nuggets, nuggets of information and encouragement that will add an abundance of goodness to your life. I hope you will join us in the Academy for our life stage tailored, value packed, action driving mastery courses. Happy mining, Vida. Part 2 of a Jackpot of Success Strategies from a Gold Miner of Life focuses on the gold miner's toolbox, what a gold miner needs. What does a gold miner need? Mining tools. The most important mining tools. The best mining tools available. Core values, a personal motto, self-evaluation know-how, and MC&R. As students learn to use the mining tools properly, they will uncover golden nuggets. Golden nuggets are their reward, something they will keep with them forever. The first golden nugget on our excavation list is core values. Values are a part of us. They are the autobiography of our mind and heart. They represent us. They are the words we put into action to display what we stand for. A truly empowered woman turns her values into verbs. She understands what she values most, and she takes steps to bring that value to life. What glorious words from Margaret Trudeau. Using the next 4 slides, you will establish a set of core values. Complete the 5 steps in the order presented. Students have placed their core value statements in a variety of places. I've heard on the bathroom mirror, on your desk, as screensavers, inside journals, inside day planners, inside your wallet, said one student who was working on financial responsibility. One student said on his car dashboard because he was working to curb his tendency for road rage. Another student agreed that was a great place, but that was because she had time to think about her values while she sat in traffic. On your refrigerator is a great place. In fact, one of the places that Vida is reminded of her health values. Place them wherever they will remind you. For establishing a set of core values, I suggest these 5 steps because it is a streamlined but thorough process, and it is efficient enough that it prevents overthinking. The steps include self-discovery, categorization, refining, ranking, and articulating. The next few slides will require a click when you are ready to move on. These words may inspire you in creating your written set of core values. Add other words that are meaningful to you. When our values become actions, they have meaning. Values without actions to support them are dead words. I hope you are enjoying this segment of the course. When your values are planted firmly in your mind, amazing things will happen. These are the core values of the Vida Teodora Academy. They are what we do. They are our values turned into actions. Each of the 6 headings are followed by a strong statement of our daily intent. A personal motto is a brief phrase about who you are and what you stand for. I may have benefited from just 2 words as my motto, keep calm. Now my mantra is kindness matters. I hope you are up on your minor talk. Here are this section's top 3 extractions. Do not break the flow sheet if you have not achieved mastery in the excavation work. If you misfire, you will most certainly incur obstacles that will break your pick. Keep active in the Facebook group. Comment to support each other. Opening discussions with a question is a great way to obtain insight from others. Please consider reading from these books and website as additional help and inspiration. Congratulations! You have earned your second golden nugget. You now understand the importance of core values and personal mottos. You recognize the benefits you will achieve from applying them to your daily life. You have completed part 2 of the Gold Miner's Toolbox.